Welcome to Dibombe Waterfall.
Hello there, future friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Spencer and I'm stoked to have you join the community. In this community, we do fashion and travel vlogging, and we also share inspiring stories and learn together. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly do subscribe and click the notification bell so that when next I drop videos like this, you'll be the very first to get notified. Thank you. This is going to be a 2-day trip starting today, and we'll be exploring Mount Mwanenguba, Nkongsamba Waterfall, and also the Dibombe Waterfall. When we got into the bus, we were served some breakfast, and immediately the crew I was traveling with immediately clicked as if we knew ourselves from way back then. I must confess, these guys turned out to be one of the most fun people I have ever traveled with. The first leg of our journey was supposed to last for about 2 hours 30 minutes, but I was so gracious I met this crew because they kept me totally awake throughout these 2 hours 30 minutes. We even got to play Truth or Dare, initiated by our amazing tour guide, whom I'll introduce at the end of this video. This trip made me laugh so hard, and as we go throughout the bumps and the potholes, I never felt an inch of any because these guys kept all of us so entertained. And as time went on, I thought to myself I wouldn't have chosen any other group of people to travel with. Finally, we arrived at our first location, which is Manjo, where we'll find the Dibombe Waterfall. Yeah, we just got to Manjo.
Gang. What ends I visit? Feel free.
Apparently, to visit this waterfall, you need to go through the chief or the ruler of this area. So our cars were packed, our legs were now active, and as I walked through, all I could do was enjoy the scenery of the plantains and how this area looks like. Also, the road to his house was kind of interesting. After every one of us were gathered there, he came out, the ruler came out and spoke to us. He told us, as a tradition, we were supposed to have told him at least 48 hours before coming so that he could welcome each and every one of us with their traditional meal, which is called koki. And after the welcoming speech, we had to move straight down to see the waterfall, where he had to explain to us some other stories about this wonderful waterfall. While waiting for the ruler and everyone to come down, let me introduce you to my chatting friend.
Man, how is it going? I really enjoy this moment.
You're enjoying it.
Yeah,
Are you enjoying Cameroon?
of course I'm enjoying Cameroon. It's a lovely country with very nice people. Nice to meet you, bro.
You're welcome.
When the ruler finally came down, he took some time to explain to us the mystery behind this waterfall, what the people in this village believe about this waterfall, the good luck this waterfall brings to the people in this community. It is the first time I'm hearing such things about a waterfall. But who are we? We listen, we don't judge, right? We can tell others. After all was said and done, we just had to take some pictures and look at this beautiful waterfall, enjoy it for ourselves. And then we had to move to the next location where we are going to have barbecue and swimming for those who are able to swim. For now, let me let you hear the sound of this water just like as I'm hearing. So after we left the waterfall there, we came back with the ruler to his house where he wanted to welcome us with cola nuts as a tradition to tell us goodbye. So I had to taste this one. This one is called bitter cola. I don't know how it's called in English or if that's the name. And thereafter, he had to do us a special salute where he said every male will pass and give him like a 3 high five, something like this, 2, 3, and a shake. And for the female, they'll do it twice only. So we all gave His Majesty these high fives and handshakes. Then we left. Our next stop is passing through this beautiful small forest, going down to the Dibombe Waterfall, where we'll have some barbecue and swimming and dancing. So follow me as we go to the Dibombe Waterfall. Presently we are going through some cocoa farm, cacao, to go to where people can swim. So we are inside the forest here. Arriving at this place, it looks so beautiful that I just didn't want to talk but just take videos and enjoy myself. While some people were preparing themselves to go swimming, the barbecue was already set, waiting for us to consume it.
Welcome to this beautiful waterfall, which is called Dibombe Waterfall. Some people actually went swimming. It is also beautiful. You can actually swim here. Over there, you can see some other guys going to swim that way. Wow. Oh, yeah.
Everything eventually comes to an end, so we had to leave that place so we can go to the next waterfall, which is the major one that will be seen in my next video. So stay connected as I ask a few guys how they felt about this first part of the trip.
From Dibombe Waterfall, tell me what's your experience?
The experience is lovely. I can say it was one of a kind experience. I personally, this is my first time coming on an experience like this, and it was wonderful. I can say I recommend to anyone else who's thinking of taking
Visiting.
a trip or taking a break.
Visiting
It's
Manjo.
worth it.
This is our tour guide, a good guide to us, and she wants to tell us about this place that we are from visiting. It's called
Dibombe Waterfall. And I would just say it was that kind of fun and so amazing. Yeah.
people had to swim.
Yeah,
some
people had to swim.
Those were- so it
I
was
think
lovely.
everything was good.
Thank you so
Tout s'est
much.
très bien passé et
En français.
on a eu assez de fun. On s'est très bien amusé.
D'accord, merci. You're encouraged to visit this place. It's at Manjo in Littoral province, not far from Douala. I think about 2 hours drive from Douala to get here. From here, we are going to Nkongsamba Waterfall. So let's go and have fun again. See you next time.